Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss a very important aspect of anatomy, that is sternal puncture. So today we are going to discuss what is a sternal puncture and how we can do it and why we should provide sternal puncture to the patient. So let's discuss it in brief. So in the sternal puncture, the first point is you should know that examining of bone marrow provides valuable information about the blood diseases that are found in the human body. So we can say, for example, bone marrow is very important for evaluation of blood diseases, and so the sternum, we also called it breastbone, is it's a common site for harvesting, or we can say for taking out bone marrow for sampling. And so now let's talk about procedure, how we are gonna attain the sternal puncture. So basically we should know very basic thing. It's a very normal procedure, and in this, during the sternal puncture, a wide bore, that means in anatomical, or we can say medical terms, wide bore means large in diameter. So a wide bore needle is inserted through the very thin cortical bone in to the spongy bone, and from there we can withdraw the sample of red bone marrow for the evaluation, or you can say laboratory examination. And we should also know, it's a very important thing, you can find all of this that I am teaching you right now, you can basically find in K.L. Moore's, who is a very renowned author. His full name is Keith L. Moore. So K.L. Moore, Clinically Oriented Anatomy. I am taking all of my information which I am telling you is from that book. So also, this bone marrow transplantation is sometimes performed for the treatment of leukemia, that is blood cancer. So I'm really sorry about my writing, but this is how it is, and I hope that you are grasping the concept, because it's very important that you should grasp the concept, and the concept is very simple. In the sternal puncture, we should know very important thing, that is bone marrow is very important for the evaluation of blood disease. On the same contrary, we should also know that sternum, that is the breastbone, is a common site for harvesting bone marrow for sampling. And now we should know that how we can do the procedure the procedure for it. So in this very like wide bore needle, which is large in diameter, is inserted through thin cortical bone into this spongy bone. So the site that we are using to insert the needle is from thin cortical bone, and we should and from there it goes into the spongy bone. And this sample of red bone marrow is then sent for the evaluation, or you can say for lab examination. And also very important thing we should know, that blood marrow transplantation sometimes it's also used for the treatment of leukemia, and leukemia is basically blood cancer. So thank you so much again, and if you like my video, you should subscribe, like and share, and hit that bell icon button, that if I'm preparing another video for anatomy or any medical subject. Or you can also write down below in the comment section that if you want any video, the topic that you are not understanding. And goodbye, myself Muhammad Faraz, and see you soon guys.